Okay, we did word formation. Okay, I'll just scroll it up. Tell me. Yes, beta. Tell me where we did. Okay. Okay, we did all this, I suppose. Till where have we done, children? You tell me. Okay. Did we do this?
No,
No. Okay, I have
no, no.
explained this. I have explained till here. No, 1 second. And suitable prefixes. We have not done. Exercise
No,
one.
no.
Have we done? Have we done or not done?
Not done.
Okay. So I have explained what is a prefix or to all of you all. I think I explained this lesson also, but anyway, add suitable prefixes from this box to add to the words in the bracket and fill in the blanks. Okay. Now all of you all will have to add any of these letters which are their prefixes. It's called prefixes because they are added before the word. And you have to see in the bracket there is one word given. You have to add any of these from the boxes, form a word and see which is the appropriate one, which is the right answer. So come on, we will first look at the number one and A1. The boy was dash in the house. The boy was dash in the house. Come on, beta.
Oh,
What is the answer?
oh.
Loan is given. Loan is given. Now what is, come on? Come on, what is the answer? You have to add a prefix.
Um,
Alone. Very good. Now, the boy was alone in the house. The second one, the visitor said that he dashed tea and preferred coffee.
A coffee.
Hmm?
Sorry.
Come on, what is
Unlike.
it? No, disliked. Dislike means he didn't like. Okay? He dislikes. Understood or not? You have to add DISLIKED. Disliked. See, it is in the box. This is there. The third one, the mother told her children, stay dash, otherwise we will miss the World Cup finals. So stay what? Wake is given. So what will you add to wake to, better tell me? Come on, tell
Stay.
me. Stay what?
Stay awake
T,
early.
T.
Stay
Oh,
awake. Stay awake. Okay. Then the next one is the eager villagers sat around the old lady who promised to dash their future. So before tell, what will come? You see in the box over here, in the bracket it is tell. And what will come from the box over there?
until,
Hmm?
until,
Yeah. No, not until. Foretell. Foretell. FORETEL. Fore means before. Okay. And tell is, do you know what is to tell? Okay. Now, when you go to an astrologer, he will foretell. He will forecast what is going to happen to you after 2 months or
none,
3 months. Okay. So
none,
that is foretell means forecast. Okay.
none.
हाँ बेटा बोल चलो tell me बेटा.
इसका आंसर क्या था?
A1, I'll tell four answers आपको बताती हूँ. The boy, first one, the boy was alone. ALONE.
वो तो आता है, सी वाला नहीं आता.
एक मिनट सब बोलती हूँ. The visitor said that he had disliked. DIS. He disliked means he didn't like tea and preferred coffee. DISLIKED. The next is the mother told her children stay awake. AWAKE. Stay awake. Then the eager villagers sat around the old lady who promised to foretell. 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 Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We move on to the next one. The sprinter is the one who runs race. The sprinter judged the distance and lost the race. तो बॉक्स में से कौन सा आएगा? जज्ड है इधर, और जज्ड होगा, अनजज्ड होगा, सॉरी सॉरी अनजज्ड होगा, डी जज होगा, फोर जज होगा, मिस जज्ड होगा या डिस जज्ड होगा?
Fourth.
हाँ बेटा, नो बेटा, इट विल बी मिसजज्ड. द स्प्रिंटर मिसजज्ड, उसने बराबर जजमेंट नहीं किया एंड ही didn't reach on time and he lost the race. Okay. He thought the distance is not very far, but it was quite far, and he would have slowed down when there is a race going on, and the racer, the sprinter, the person who's racing is called the sprinter, and he runs, and he feels that okay, now I need to slow down because I'm coming fast. I will slow down a little because the distance is not very much. But his this judgment was wrong actually. He actually the distance was a bit longer than he expected, and he slowed down, and the others reached fast. So he misjudged. What is it? Misjudged the distance and lost the race. Okay. Now the next one, the workers tried to tie the right, tie the tight knot. So what will it come? Bracket it is tie. अच्छा, टाइट नॉट बांधा हुआ है तो वो खोलने के लिए क्या बोलते हैं? What do we add? What do we add? Do we tie? Do we untie? Do we detie, foretie, mistie, or distie? What do we do?
This time.
Ni tie, untie, tie, untie. Okay, only one boy is answering. But who is the one who is answering?
Rohan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ruhan. Yes, Ruhan is answering only. The others are not listening also. You are not writing the answers. The
Yes, ma'am. मैं
sprinter.
टेक्स्ट बुक लेकर आई.
Okay. E, the sprinter misjudged the distance. Then F is the workers tried to untie the tight knot. गांठ जोर से बंध गया था तो उसको खोलना था, तो उसको क्या बोलते? Untie the knot. What do you say? Untie the knot. The next one is the scientist dash of the plan. Misapproved or disapproved or क्या होगा? Okay, मैं आपको बताऊँ. चलो, the scientist
Disapprove.
misapproved या disapproved?
Disapprove.
Disapproved, yes. So the scientists disapproved of the plan. जैसे कि your teacher disapproves of your project, means she didn't approve, because you didn't do it properly. So you say the teacher disapproved my project. In the same way, the scientists disapproved of the plan. Then the students dash with the teacher in the class. Misbehave or disbehaved? The students
Misbehave.
misbehave, correct.
Misuse.
The next is
Misbehave.
ah, the next is the passengers about to board the train or deboard the train. Deboard या
Board.
क्या होगा? D
Board.
E D D-E-B-O-A-R-D, deboard. Okay, deboard the flight. Ah. Mother is always satisfied or dissatisfied with me since I don't study. Your mother is satisfied with you when you don't study, or is dissatisfied when you don't study?
Dissatisfied.
Dissatisfied. So do you want me to repeat the
Dis.
answer again, or everybody is written?
मैम आई वाला आंसर नहीं पता.
I means yes, the passenger was about to deboard. D-E-B-O-A-R-D. Board to लिखा है. You have to write deboard. Okay, got it?
चलो.
Now read these
Yes, ma'am.
words. Ruhan, read the words.
Yes, ma'am. Boy, boy, boy. Use
Boyish.
useful.
Boyish. Continue, continue.
boys, use, useful, use, useless, imagine, imagine, imagine,
Imaginary.
imaginary, develop, development,
Hmm.
highlighted, words are
No, it is on
surface,
the right. On the right, this was the left. Attract, attractive. Hmm.
attract, attractive, reach, wisdom,
Wise, wisdom.
arrive, wise, wisdom, arrive, arrival,
Arrival. Hmm.
arrival, great,
Great.
greatness, greatness, great, greatness,
Creation, creation. Read the highlighted words.
lucky, is,
The highlighted
lucky,
words
is,
are suffixes. Read. A suffix is
like a suffix is a letter or group for letter added
added
at the end, added
of
at
the
the
word
end
to make
of
another word.
a word to make another word.
Okay, thank you, Peter. Let me explain. So, you know, when you add some letters or group of letters in front of a word, it is called prefix. If you add letters or words at the back of the word, it is called suffix. So, prefix, what do? You add the word letters in front or back. In prefixes, you add the letter in front of the word or the back of the letter word.
Back of the letter.
Front.
Prefix means
Front.
pehle.
Front.
Pele, pele.
Prefixes and suffixes at the end, you know. So if you add ish, you know, boy will become boyish. Attractive में आप IVE लगा दोगे तो attractive हो जाएगा. Use will become useful. Wise will, if you know you want to say that wisdom, then wise will become wisdom. E will go out and DOM is used. Okay, then use becomes useless. Arrive becomes arrival. Imagine becomes imaginary. You have to add these letters. You add these words and letters, group of letters, you know, letters. ISH, FUL, then IVE, DOM, LESS, less. Then arrival means AL, you have to add. Imaginary, you have to add ARY. Then greatness, you have to add NESS. Develop, you have to add MENT. Create, you have to add ION. So these are suffixes. So the meaning slightly changes, and also you have formed a new word. So you can either form a word using prefixes or suffixes. Okay, and the definition of a suffix is a letter or a group of letters added at the end of the word to make another word. Now I want another boy to read this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please read.
Okay, ma'am. While adding a suffix, you may need to remove letters. For example, wise, wisdom, arrive,
Arrive, arrive,
arrival,
arrival,
arri- arrive,
arrival.
arrival,
Hmm.
arrival. Such changes should be
Will
remembered while
while
using
using
a
a hmm.
suffix. Here are some more examples. Master, mastery, write, writer, sell, seller, friend, friendship, breathe,
It's not
breathe,
breed, it is
back,
bright,
backward,
brighten. Beta, it is bright, brighten.
bright, brighten, back, backwards.
Okay. So you know how words are formed, you know. So either you add a prefix or a suffix to form another word. Okay. Add suitable suffixes from the box to the words in the bracket and fill in the blanks. Okay, now the Y, OR, ER, ship, ENR there. Okay. So the first one was the C was what? In the bracket is storm. So what will storm become? What will you add to storm? Tell me fast. The sea was what? Storm को कैसे क्या ऐड करने का है? Why? Is it stormy? Is it stormer? Huh? Why? You have to add a Y. It is stormy, stormy. The sea was very stormy. And so the dash could not go sailing. Who could not go sailing? Sail or sailor or say or CR or say ship. So what is the correct answer? The sea was very stormy and so the bracket में sail है. So what do you add to sail to make another word?
E-N.
It's en is about Ceylon? No. What is the meaning of Ceylon? You have to add sailor. What is the spelling of sailor? What is the spelling of sailor?
S-A-I-L-E-R.
Lor. Okay, so see
L-O.
from the back box you have to take or to make it a sailor. So the answer is the sea was very stormy and so the sailor could not go sailing. The next one, the boys dash. Victor will become what? The boys dash Victor. Victor will become what? What will you add to Victor to make a new word? You see from the
Vic-
box and add over there.
Victor ship.
Victory.
Yes, very good. The boys' victory in the painting competition was well deserved. So the answer is
Wider.
victory. Now the government wishes to wider or widen. You have to tell me
Widen.
whether you are going.
It-
You have to, huh? No, no,
Widen.
beta. No,
Wider. Wider.
widen.
Wider.
Widen
Widen,
means उसको
widen.
broad करना है. Wider means broad करो और broad करो.
Wider.
But widen means उसको widen, like the meaning is same, but the correct word is widen. Widen. That's all. Okay. Next is the government. Sorry, his staff admired him when he described his dash to them. Hard what? Hard what? Is it hardy? It is hardor. It is harder. Hard.
Harder.
No,
Harder.
better.
Harder.
Hardship. Harden.
Hardship.
Hardship is the correct
Hard.
Hardship.
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 Okay.
H-A.
Okay. The next one, the bake. Listen now. The bake and the paint are neighbors. Now, will it be the bake and the paint are neighbors? What will be the answer? What will you add over there? Will
E-N.
it be bakey? Huh?
E-R.
Yes, er. The
Baker.
baker and the painter, both. You have to add er. The baker and the painter are neighbors.
The
Next is to dash the load of the child. The mother carried some books. Light का क्या करेगा? Light का
lighting. Lighting.
no
Light
light
ship.
no
Lighter.
Lighter. Lighter.
Lighter.
lighten Lighten means to lighten means हल्का
किसी
करना.
स्पेलिंग
Okay.
बोला तो
हाँ तो मैं
एक तो
मैंने लाइटर
बोला
भी
तो
आता. Lighter भी आता.
One
एक
second. Let
तो
me take.
स्पेलिंग
Let
बोला ना
one second. Let me check. To lighter, no, lighter is different. You use it in a different form of sentence. Okay, when you say that my bag is lighter than your bag, when you're comparing, you can use lighter. Okay, but here to lighten means to make the weight less, to give less burden to the child. The mother what carried some books. Okay, so it is lighten,
आइटम
Lighten. Okay, the next is team won all the matches of the tournament under her leader. क्या होगा? Under her what? Leader, leadership or leaden.
नहीं
लीडरशिप
मालूम मैम.
Leadership.
Leadership.
Very
Leadership.
huh. If the mixture is too hard, you will need to soft dash it. Soft will become what? What will you add to soft? Softy it,
दिस वन
then
इज टू
softer,
हार्ड
soft shape it, or soften it.
Softer.
Huh?
Softer. ER.
Soften. Yes, better नहीं. If the mixture is too hard, you will need to soften. Soften. All of you have got the answers, or shall I repeat again? Jaldi bolo, shall I
Soften.
repeat? All of you have.
Soften.
मैम आंसर
Okay. Okay.
लिख
All of
दिया.
you.
Soften.
Okay, beta. Everybody's written the answers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I
Yes,
want the
ma'am.
next boy to read this.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. And I will read. Compound words are
Three
formed
fish
by
No,
are
no, no, no,
joining
moon,
no, no.
light,
1 second. You have to read these words.
I will read, ma'am.
moon plus light
Moon
equal to
plus light,
moonlight.
moonlight, newspaper plus newspaper, after plus noon, afternoon. These are compound words.
Compound words.
Compound
Read, read,
words,
read.
compound words are formed by
It's not
joining,
formed, beta. It is formed by joining two or more
formed
simple,
by joining two
two
or more
simple words.
simple words.
Okay. So you understood, no? Moon is different and light is different, but you add it together, it becomes a word that is moonlight. Moon is in the sky, you know that. Light can be any light, light from the bulb, light from the sun, light from the moon. But if you add together, it becomes moonlight. That means we are getting moonlight from the moon. The news plus paper. We know what is news and we also know what is paper. But when it is added together, it becomes a newspaper, which we get every day in our houses. Then after plus noon. Okay, noon is 12 o'clock and after means after 12 o'clock. So afternoon. So when two words are joined together, they form a new word. Okay. See, so they are called compound words. What are they called?
Compound word.
Yes. So compound words are formed by joining two or more simple words. Now this is an exercise you all should do. Okay, now tell me, match the words to form the compound words. Now, what is the which word you will add to year, EAR year, to make a word? You choose from the other column. One is A is given the words and B are the numbers, the other column. So here I will tell you the first one. A is year, and if you search in the answers, number 6 is ring. Earring. What is it? Earring.
Hearing.
Okay.
लिखने का कैसे है टेक्स्ट बुक में?
हाँ बेटा,
टेक्स्ट बुक में कैसे लिखने का?
आपको मैच करने का है बेटा.
मैथ करने का है.
हाँ, या तो आप draw a line from year to number 6 or near year you write ring. तो ring लगा दो तो earring और 6 number लिखा दो 6 number और earring. Understood? In the textbook, in your answer book, I mean in your fair book, you can write year and ring together, A1. The B1 is wind. Now, what is the second answer for wind? Is it wind power? Is it wind coat? Is it wind chair? Is it wind charmer? Windmill? Wind ring? Wind law? Come on, tell me. Which is the second answer? Wind, and which is the second answer? Number 5, mill.
Windmill.
Windmill. Ah. Then number 3, C. C is what? Snake and what? Is it snake power? Is it snake coat? Is it snake chair? Is it snake charmer? Is it snake mill? Which is the correct answer?
Nicole.
Uh-huh. No, snake charmer. You know, in the villages, some snake charmers come. That is, they bring snake in a basket and they play the
नंबर
music
बी
and the
में क्या
snake.
आंसर है?
हाँ बेटा.
नंबर बी में मैं 12 ढूंढ रहा था इसलिए मैम.
बी, नंबर बी में विंड मिल 5 वाला है. देखो, रोमन लेटर 5. मिल. विंड मिल. हाँ बेटा, कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. व्हाट आर यू सेइंग?
कौन सा लेसन?
कौन सा लेसन है? आपको नहीं मालूम? आपको वोकेबलरी में जाने का है. आई डोंट हैव द बुक. वोकेबलरी में जाने का है और वर्ड फॉर्मेशन जाना है. लेसन 1 ऑफ वर्ड ऑफ वोकेबलरी. आई टेल यू द पेज नंबर. ये हमेशा लास्ट में पूछता है. हु इज दैट? You go to page number
The
85. 85. 85 word formation. 85 word formation. All of you got the answer? 85 word formation. Did you get the and it is on the next page, I think. Who was asking me, boy? Did you get the exercise?
हमें तो बनाया नहीं बेकार
Yours.
Nayani, it is on page, I think 88. 88. See, number 3, match the words. Did
मिल
you
गया
get it?
मिल
Miliana?
गया Yes.
Okay, now the first one is year, and the answer is number 6, ring. The B is wind, and answer is 5, mil. Number C, snake, and the answer is 4, chama. Okay, now number 4, number D is what? Number D,
और
number D
क्या
is what? Horsepower. It is horsepower.
Horsepower.
Horse. Number D is horse, and the answer is number 1, power. Okay, horsepower. Okay. Then number E is out and law. OET out. And number 7, LAW law. Outlaw. Outlaw means he's like goes against the government. I mean against the rules, and he does everything which is not acceptable in the society. Outlaw. Okay. Outlaw. Number E is number
ओवर कोट
7. Outlaw. Then number F. F is what? Over. Now over you can easily, yes, overcoat. Okay. What is it? It can be overpower also, and it can be
इसकी बुक में
overcoat
लिखा
also.
है
हाँ बेटा.
इसकी बुक में लिखा है
किसी ने लिखा है? क्या लिखा है?
ओ मम्मा जो तनाया ने भी वो पूछा कौन सा पेज
हाँ.
नंबर
हाँ.
उसकी बुक में पूरी लिखा है लिखे लिए मैम
Oh. Oh. So Nayani, you
मैं
will
बोला
not
थी
answer. Acha, Nayani, you will not answer. You can write overcoat or overpower. Okay. Okay, overcoat is the correct answer. The next is arm. Arm what? Arm power, arm coat, arm chair, arm charmer. Which is the correct answer? मैंने जो बोला उसमें से ही आंसर है.
होल
आर्म
आम
आर्म
होल
आर्म कोट नहीं. आर्म चेयर, आर्म
आम
चामा
होल आम होल
नहीं बेटा. आर्म चेयर, आर्म चेयर. आर्म चेयर मीन्स जो आराम कुर्सी जो रहती है जहाँ आप हाथ रख सकते हो, थोड़ा रिलैक्स करके बैठ सकते हो. दैट इज आर्म चेयर. Okay, so that is armchair. Now desk. What is the answer now? Now I'll call out 3 answers. You tell me which one. Okay. Is it desk
बेस्ट
office? Is
होल
it
बेस्ट
desk
होल
hole or is it desktop?
बेस्ट होल
No, beta. Desktop. Desktop is what? On you when you say I'm doing my work on the desktop, that means you're doing on the computer. Okay. The number X is Dex. Huh, beta?
पोस्ट ऑफिस
Yes, I is post office and J is pinhole.
होल
No,
होल
pinhole. Okay. Now again, shall I tell the answers or you know the answers now?
आई नो द आंसर
हाँ बेटा. What बेटा? जल्दी बोलो बेटा.
आई नो द
All of
आंसर
you know the answers. Everyone knows the answers. So first is earring, second is windmill, third is snake charmer, fourth is horsepower, fifth is outlaw, sixth is overpower, then seven
ओवर
is
कोट मैम
overcoat.
ओवर कोट
Yes, overcoat. Then sorry. Then sixth is sorry,
आम के
armchair. Then H is desktop, and J is I is post office. Then J is pinhole. Okay. Okay. Now I want someone to read this, please. Read these
माई
words.
रीड
Yes, please read.
Weight, while the weight sleep.
It's
Sleep,
wealth and Y is equal to wealthy. Wealth plus Y is equal to wealthy.
weight plus Y is equal to Z sleep.
Hmm.
Fool plus ISH
ISH is foolish.
is foolish.
Hmm.
King plus
L
LY, kingly,
is equal to
is equal to
kingly.
kingly.
Hmm. Then
The word rice, food, and king are nouns by adding the highlighted suffix.
suffixes
They
they
become
become
adjectives.
adjectives.
They become adjectives.
Huh.
Adjectives
Adjectives
can,
can be formed
can be formed using suffix such
such
as
as
y, li, l,
ly, al,
ly,
iv.
al,
No.
ive, ish, ous, full, ary, leslash, and able.
Hmm. Okay. And yes, you. I will just explain to you first. Read these words. Wealth plus y is equal to wealthy. Fool plus ish is foolish. So you know if you add these suffixes, they make another word. Now these are actually adjectives. You know, if you'll know what is adjectives, and you'll know what is nouns. Anyone knows what is noun and what is adjective? No, you don't know, or you know. So now let me tell you, noun is a name of a person, place, animal, a thing. It is a naming word. Anything you name, a table, a chair, a pencil, a car, a book, you know, all these are naming words. Bottle, glass, bag, okay, man, girl, boy, all these are naming words. Okay, now how do you know what is an adjective and what is a noun? Noun, I told you, this it is a name of anything. Okay, now when something is just told more about that particular noun, it is an adjective. Okay, now for example, the first one is color plus full. So color is a noun. Okay, but if I say color, add ful, it becomes colorful. Okay, now colorful is a adjective. How I tell you? Suppose I say he wore a colorful shirt. Now shirt is what? A noun. Shirt is what?
Noun,
What is noun? Because it is
noun,
naming a thing. Now what do we know more about the shirt? That it is colorful. What do we know more about the shirt? That it is colorful. It is
colorful,
describing the shirt. It is describing the shirt. Okay. So the word that describes or tells you more about a noun is called an adjective. समझ में आया कि नहीं आया?
पढ़ा नहीं आया
पढ़ा नहीं है एक्चुअली, पहले पढ़ा होगा बट भूल गए हो. तो
हाँ
जैसे
ना
कि मैं
पहले
बोलती हूँ
पढ़ा था
मेरे हाँ बेटा,
पहले पढ़ा था लेकिन अभी भूल गई
भूल गए. But all of you remember, see, these are all parts of speech which you have to be very thorough. ये बेस है ग्रामर का. अगर ग्रामर ने बेस नहीं आता तो कुछ नहीं आता. Okay, now let me explain. Suppose I say I have a blue pencil. Now, what is pencil? Pencil is a,
नाउन
blue,
and blue is what?
नाउन
Blue is what?
adjective,
Adjective, because it tells you more about the pencil. Now, the first one is there, wealthy over there. Okay. So, he is a wealthy man. Okay. What is man?
एडजेक्टिव
What is man?
adjective,
नाउन
Noun.
नाउन
कोई भी चीज का नाम को नाउन बोलते हैं. And what does man के बारे में क्या बोला है? What does it tell you about the man? That he is, when I say the sentence, he is a wealthy man. So it tells you more about the man, no? It tells you more about the man. He is a
Yes.
wealthy man. Means rich. So wealthy is what? Adjective. Wealthy क्या है?
एडजेक्टिव
Adjective. In the same way, now here adjectives from noun. Adjectives can be formed from verbs and other adjectives. Means adjective दूसरे adjective से भी बन सकता है और noun से भी बन सकता है. So color is a noun, and if you add full to it, becomes colorful. Then care plus less, becomes careless. Suppose I say that she is a careless girl. Now, girl is what?
Noun.
Noun.
And careless is what?
Adjective.
Adjective.
Correct, 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 correct. Now, prestigious, prestigious. So, he got a prestigious award. He got a prestigious award. Award क्या है? What is award?
Adjective.
Award,
Adjective.
award, award, award क्या
Noun.
है?
Noun.
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 And prestigious is
Adjective.
correct. Operation per L, operational. Okay. So when I say this machine is
मैम
operational, हाँ बेटा,
रोहन सर कब आएंगे?
क्यों बेटा? रो, रोहन सर का तो पता नहीं क्यों, आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है? मेरा पढ़ाना अच्छा नहीं लगता है?
नहीं मैम, वो क्या बोलते हैं,
हाँ, हाँ
तबीयत
बेटा,
खराब हो गई उनकी।
नहीं नहीं बेटा,
तो कब आएंगे?
वो शायद पता नहीं, फॉरेन जा
ओके।
सकते हैं इसलिए, पता नहीं। लेकिन आपको मेरी पढ़ाई समझ में आती है कि नहीं? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम टीचिंग यू ऑल?
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं, थोड़ा थोड़ा
Yes,
समझ
ma'am.
आता है, नहीं आता।
क्या कौन बोलता है नहीं आता है?
थोड़ा थोड़ा
Enough.
नहीं।
हाँ बेटा, नेम द
Enough.
बॉय। Anas, Anas, what you don't understand, beta? You have to ask me. Otherwise, how will I know that you understood or not? What you don't understand, beta Anas? You have to ask me then and there itself. Then only I can explain to you. And who are the boys who understand?
मुझे.
What's your name, beta?
I understand. I
Yes.
understand.
So I,
Mom.
so
Ma'am,
I
I
think
understand.
everybody understands, but those who are not understanding either, they are not paying attention properly. Okay. Okay, now see, I told you how to make adjectives from nouns. Now, adjectives from verb. Now, what is verb? Verb is a action word. Verb is a
Action word.
action word. It shows movement. जैसे कि jump, laugh, cry, dance, work, then write, yeah, impress, imagine. All these are
Verb.
verbs which show some
Verb.
action. Okay. Now, here first is the word is work, and able is to do something. Okay, now workable. So adjectives from verbs, how to make adjectives. Now see, this is important to learn, but you will not get a question like please write what is adjective from verb. You will not get like that. I'm just explaining to you. So work means to do something, that is some activity, and able is to be able to do it. So when you add the two words, okay, it makes the new word called workable. Okay, so when you say that this project is workable, that means ये project काम means हम लोग कर सकते हैं, this is workable. Okay, so work is what? Verb. And able is what? Adjective. So if you
Adjective.
add both of them, it becomes adjective from verb. Okay. Now I have already yes. So imagine and imaginary, and impress and impressive. Means you say that the teacher was impressed with his work. Means बहुत खुश हो गई थी. But impressive तो ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं, his work was very impressive. Okay. तो impress verb होता है, and if you add ive वो adjective बन जाता है. But this part of speech is very, very important. That's why you all are not understanding. Let me tell you. Those who are understanding very good, but those who feel that they have a doubt, you all must learn, must 100% you have to learn parts of speech thoroughly. तभी आपको 12th तक कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. Your base should be strong. Now, adjectives from other adjective. White and whitey. Okay. Suppose I say
Test,
white shirt.
test,
White,
test, test, test.
हाँ बेटा. Okay, white or whitish. If I say he's wearing a white shirt, the shirt is a noun. Okay, and white